Do you feel like your homeschool schedule is all over the place and you're constantly playing catch up? Are you looking for a practical way to help your kids stay on top of their work? Or are you looking for some practical tips on how to get your kids to be independent and responsible learners? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then keep watching. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. And today I want to talk about one of my biggest homeschool struggles and the solution that I found in hopes that I can help you as well. My biggest struggle in my homeschooling as my kids have gotten older is consistency. I have a lot more going on. They're on the verge of being completely independent. And I find them making a lot of excuses not to do their schoolwork. So because of this, we are behind my schedule for them. And we are behind on assignments. They get by a lot of weeks without doing all of their work. And it was just getting really frustrating and overwhelming for me. So I implemented a system that is simple, visual for them, and allows them to take charge of their own education with the consequence as well. So let me show you exactly how it works. All right, guys, so here it is. And I was able to use my new binding machine to put it together. So that was fun. Anyway, so I made a cover on Canvas as Aaron's weekly schedule. And what it is a bunch of these graphs. I didn't even realize I had to put the graph title. But you can name it whatever you want, okay? So basically what I did was 5 boxes for the days of the weeks that they have school, and then the number of boxes of subjects that they have. The X's are for the subjects they don't have to do that day. On Tuesdays, they don't have anything. They alternate history and science, so they only do it twice a week. They have to do math and Bible and language arts every day, okay? So as you can see here, when they are done, they check it off. You look here on Wednesday, Aaron missed his science. So I circle it and he owes me that assignment. On Thursday, he missed history and math. So now these 3 assignments that he didn't complete last week, he owes me this upcoming weekend. We didn't do it this weekend because we were camping, but he's gonna owe it to me this upcoming weekend. So today he's still responsible for a couple of subjects, and knowing that he owes me those 3, it'll be his responsibility to make sure that he gets everything done before the end of the week so that he does not have to have Saturday school, because who wants to do school on the weekends? I know some people don't mind and that's their schedule, but I don't want to teach on the weekends or check anybody's work, and I know he doesn't want to do anything like that on the weekends. So this is how I keep my kids on track. I have the same thing for my daughter, and we do the same thing with her. So this is how I keep them on track, and it makes them responsible for their work. It also keeps us from falling behind because there won't be any more missed assignments. Any missed assignments I will know about, I don't have to remember. I just know because it's here. And then we will make it up at the end of the weekend. So that is my simple strategy that I have. Let me know in the comments below if you think this will work for you, or if you have another system that you want to share with our viewers that you think would work even better. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.